Hello everyone and welcome to another FeedArmy video. My name is Emmanuel and today we will talk about how to remove draft campaigns in Google Ads. So when we go to our Google Ads UI, you will notice that sometimes you have a draft in progress and then with a number, or even where it says 0, but you do have some drafts in process. So when you click on it and the arrow points up, you should be able to see the campaigns that are in draft. If you don't see anything, it does mean that maybe you still have campaigns in draft. All you have to do is go to Overview, then scroll down until you see Draft Campaigns, which is here. And then you hover over the campaign that you want to delete and then click on Remove in the pop-up. And that's it. Nothing special that you need to do. And that helps you to delete it, or if you want, you can resume the campaign. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment downstairs, and I'll see you in the next one.